Hello children. Today I am going to explain question answers of chapter number 6 of SST, that is learning about works. So let's get started. The first question is, what is an occupation? Occupation क्या है? So the answer will be, any work done to earn money is called an occupation. कोई भी काम जो पैसे कमाने के लिए किया जाता है, that is called an occupation. Question number 2 is, name 4 occupations that require formal training. कोई ऐसे 4 occupations के नाम बताइए जिनके लिए हमें ट्रेनिंग की ज़रूरत होती है. So the answer will be, 4 occupations that require formal training are doctor, pilot, teacher and lawyer. Okay, as we have discussed in the chapter, there are 2 types of occupations, one which require formal training and the other which do not require any formal training. For example, the job of a sweeper or a potter or a cart pullers, they do not require any formal training for it. उनको उस काम के लिए किसी formal training की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. But these occupations like doctor, pilot, teacher and lawyer, they require formal training. Question number 3. Name 2 household chores that you learned from your mother or father. तो घर का कोई भी ऐसे 2 काम के आप नाम बताइए जिसे आपने अपने मम्मी या अपने पापा से सीखा है. तो ये आंसर आप खुद से भी लिख सकते हैं. You can write your own answer also. But the answer which I have written is, 2 household chores that I learned from my mother are, 2 घर के ऐसे काम जो मैंने अपनी मम्मी से सीखा है वो हैं watering the plants and laying the table. Okay, you can write any other 2 household chores also that you have learned from your mother or your father. Okay, next question number 4 is, why is it important to respect all occupation? सारे ही occupation का respect करना क्यों ज़रूरी है? So the answer will be, it is important to respect all occupations because all occupations are necessary in society. हर occupation हमारे society के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. हम किसी भी काम को छोटा या बड़ा नहीं कह सकते. हम किसी को भी superior या inferior नहीं कह सकते, क्योंकि किसी के भी बिना हम survive नहीं कर सकते. अगर कोई sweeper नहीं होगा तो हमारा street कोई clean नहीं करेगा. barber नहीं होगा तो हमारे hair कौन cut करेगा. So in this way, हमें सारे occupations का respect करना चाहिए because all the occupations are necessary in society. Now last question number 5 is, what lesson do you learn from Mr. Sridharan and his team? तो हमने चैप्टर में मिस्टर श्रीधरन मेट्रो मैन के बारे में पढ़ा. तो उनसे हमें क्या सीख मिलती है, क्या लेसन हमने सीखा उनकी टीम से? So we learned the value of honesty, punctuality and discipline from Mr. Sridharan and his team. Okay, so we have to follow these 3 key words if you want to succeed in life. अगर आपको भी सक्सेस पाना है अपने लाइफ में, so you must follow these 3 key words. They are honesty, punctuality and discipline. So my dear children, I hope you all have understood all these 5 question answers. Now it is your homework to note it down in your SST copy and to learn the same. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.